Okay, so I am driving over to my mom's house, aka Grateful Babette. Some of you have seen her in some past videos here on the channel, and we're going to do a little thrifting in the name of getting things for Christmas presents, but I'm always going to be looking for things for my reselling business, stuff that I can sell on eBay and Poshmark and Thredup and whatnot, and all the places that I online resell. So come along with us. I will definitely do a haul for you of the things that we buy and show you a little bit of inside the store. Okay, I won't really get you then.
I think this is beautiful.
We'll put it in and then we can
Assess.
it's a new year, and I actually put I want this to be half off. Love this. I loved it on Thursday and I love it now. If they charge me for a jacket, I don't want it. I'll put it in here and consider. Regular color. I was hoping some of that Chico stuff.
What instrument is he playing?
He's playing the trumpet.
I forget what this is called. It has a name. It does.
Okay friends, I'm home from the thrift store trip with my mom, Grateful Babette, and I want to show you the few pieces of clothing items that I picked up. If you are a friend of the channel, then you know, you've heard me talk about a million times that my reselling business runs on these mature women's brands in larger sizes. I love finding a designer item. Trust me, I found a Diane von Furstenberg wrap dress last time I thrifted this store, and that's always exciting, but that doesn't happen every time and I can't rely on it. So I rely on things like this. This is a women's J. Jill size extra large, kind of a slub knit cotton, pretty pink top, and I'll list this for $24.99 with $4.99 shipping, and it will probably sell very quickly for me. On eBay is my guess. Another mature women's brand I love is Chico's. They do vanity sizing, and this is a size 2, so that's a large. And this is a linen. It's kind of like a lightweight jacket, but also kind of like a top, so I'll have to decide what category to list it in. And it's this kind of limey green color, which a lot of women who dress like in the boho laggin look style love. So if I see that lime green or like a chartreuse, I pick it up. This, tell me if you're familiar with this brand in the comments. I buy this whenever I can see it in large sizes. It's Click by Hot Cotton, Color Me Cotton, size large, total boho top. Look at it, it's got all different buttons of different sizes. And it's that perfect layering piece for women who love this style, and in a size large. I probably wouldn't have picked up any of these things in an extra small or a small. I really am specifically looking for larger sizes. This is a great brand. These are like my go-to bread and butter. I've shown you Chico's, Color Me Cotton, J. Jill, and now I'm showing you Soft Surroundings. These are stores that are pretty expensive. So if I walk into a Soft Surroundings is more of a catalog brand, but this top is probably around the $100 mark. It's a size large. It's kind of a textured crinkle knit and has this interesting cutout in the top. I would not have bought this in an extra small, but in a large, definitely. And I got this one too by Soft Surroundings. You know, these stores, if you go into Chico's, you're going to spend $145 on like a tunic top like this. I love this one. If it's longer, but it's not quite a dress, I call it a tunic. This one has a great print and soft surroundings in a large is a great pickup. My mom found me this, which is probably my personal favorite of the day because it's Free People. They had it marked up to $8. Normally the tops there were $4, which is still, Goodwill is $6.99 for tops, so $4 is, wow, don't make me do the math. It's not half price, but it's got to be something like 35% less. Free People blouse with a wide kimono sleeve on it. I love how they did a combination of stripiness and florals. I will try this on. This might be a little low cut for me. I mean, I am a middle-aged woman here. Love that. Thank you, Mom, for finding me that. And then again, another soft surroundings tunic in a size large. This is like a light blue crinkle fabric, and it's layered. Now, I live in Northern California. I'm in Sonoma County. You could call it like boho heaven. It's like I find these styles and brands frequently. I can walk into any thrift store. I can pick them up. I know how to list them. It's quick and easy for me. So these are the great finds that I'm looking for. Okay, so this is absolutely hands down the craziest thing I have ever found in the pocket of a thrifted item from the thrift store. And I've been thrifting my entire life, so I'll just tell you this story and see what you guys think. So I bought these jeans. I'll show you the tag because these are actually a big bolo, which is be on the lookout for. The brand is Industrial Indigo, and they're these really distressed, destroyed denim jeans, but that's neither here nor there. I bought them at the thrift store for $9.99, and I'm gonna list them for like $100, $150. But anyway, they had some kind of staining on them, so I washed them, and when I got them out of the wash, I felt something in the pocket, and I went to pull it out, and I was like, OMG. Please in the comments now, let me know, what have you found in the pocket of a thrifted item? So this is what I pulled out of the washing machine, out of the pocket. Take a guess. Let me know what you think it is. This is a bag of, you know what? I don't even want to say this on my channel, so I'm going to pop it up on the screen. I found in the pocket of these thrifted jeans. You can smell it, which is how you 100% know exactly what it is. I pulled it out of the pocket and I was like, OMG, what is this? I smelled it and I knew immediately what it was. So it went through the entire wash with these jeans and everything else I had in my reseller laundry pile. And I just laughed like, what do I even do with this? Like, has this ever happened to you or anybody you know? I have found in the pocket of a handbag or jeans money before, never very much. You know, I think the most I've ever found is like $20. I've found money a few times in the pocket of some jeans or something. I've found balled up tissues. I've found notes. I've found grocery lists, but I've never found this that I refuse to mention on my channel, but now you all know. I hope it doesn't happen to you, and definitely an experience. All right, I'm pulling my shipping and I'm like, what's with all these pants sales? All these pants sold on eBay. So these were in my last video. J. Jill, size 10 tall, pull on corduroy pants. I paid $3.75. I'll pop up what they sold for. I have these Soul Cycle pants. I've heard people talk about these. I have not had any luck selling anything that's branded Soul Cycle. These are on my death pile forever. They had a tiny bit of wash wear on them. I sold them for $19.99 plus $4.99 shipping. These are like bread and butter staple for me. J. Jill Wherever collection. These are a size small and they still sold for $20 plus $4.99 shipping. I love the J. Jill. I mean, I'm buying more and more J. Jill because it's selling consistently and fast for me. I can't remember where I got these. These are Polo Ralph Lauren, women's size 4. They're like a pull-on stretchy pants, almost like Spanx, but they have the equestrian riding leg stitching detail. When I see those and I can get them cheap, I pick up anything that's like equestrian themed. And I put that in the title, riding pants, equestrian. These sold for $19.99 plus $4.99 shipping. I either got these at the bins, the Goodwill outlet, or I got them in a mystery box. I don't usually buy them full price or anything. This was a real big sale. This is Moon and Madison. It was nude tag, size extra small. This brand makes cute stuff, but you can get it at like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross. This sold for $10.49 plus shipping. And I'm so excited to share with you this sale. If you have followed me here on the channel, you know that I'm mostly a clothing reseller. I sell shoes, fashion, clothing, belts, pajamas, anything like that. But I want to sell more hard goods because if you've ever seen my house, you know that I basically have thrifted and estate sale and yard saled my entire house. I love vintage, unique finds, and I want to sell more, but it's a challenge because shipping is totally different, so there's a huge learning curve, and storing. So every once in a while, if I can't help it, like I pick up something that is just so great. This is like a cat pillow, and it's all like, what is it? Knit, crocheted, embroidered? What is this? What are you? What are you made of? No answer. Anyway, I just thought this was so great. Let me show you it in more detail. So, cat stuff sells. I think we all know that. This was great because it has this name on it. Samuel, does that say Sam? No, Laurel Birch. Laurel Birch. It's so great when stuff has a name brand. It's just easier for people to find it. I believe this was $5 at the Salvation Army, and it sold for $24.99 plus $13.49 shipping. So that's a win.
Oh, it's a riot.
This is neat. It's like an old tooled leather case. $14.99 though. It's really nice, but
they're so hard, the inside. I've seen some wonderful ones, but they're either too small or too big.
That's one of the disadvantages of the
I know.
disadvantages is it isn't always.
thank you so much for watching a video and hanging out with me and my mom. I appreciate it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this haul. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. And, oh geez, that's so me. I do believe it's upside down now. Behind you. Coats and blazers, $7.75. I don't think that's a coat or a blazer. So what would it be? Long sleeve, $4. That's what I'd be hoping. That would be worth it. Chico's. Just like a size large linen top type thing. Really hoping to find some oranges, but this is kind of interesting. Oh, that, I can't believe you found that top. That's like, oops. My hand is in the camera all the time. Let's see, where's the other stuff I was going to show you? I'm so good at this. I'm like a blogger. What else? What else? Oh,